So we're in the garden and I'm just going to show you a quick way to make a watering can. You might find that the roses on your watering cans break after time. This sort of thing happens, doesn't it? Who's done this? So you're going to Bunnings and buying new ones, replacing them, but there's an easy way that you can make one yourself, just using a water bottle like this, just a juice bottle, milk bottle. Take the lid and drill some holes in it. You can drill holes or just use a hammer and nail. Either way is easy. Only took me a few seconds to do that. And you've got yourself a nice watering can. Nice little spray there that you can use on your delicate plants that you just put in, or seeds that you've got that are just coming up. And if you don't need to have a spray like that, you just got yourself a little waterer, of course. You can have a few of these stashed around the garden. Means that you don't have to go and get your watering can and fill it up all the time.